And behind that, we actually have the year that it was originally performed. If you watch closely, behind the dancers on the backdrop will be a photo of the dancers who originally did that routine. So keep your eyes open.
We might get to see your mommy's picture up there. Amanda, yeah.
We do have exit lines over all of our doors in case there's an emergency. And I wish you'd take just a minute to turn off all of your cell phones and electronic devices. We want you to give the dancers undivided attention throughout the show. You are welcome to take flash photography and video throughout the show. We do have Rod Smith with us. He is making a professional DVD for us. And those can be purchased either at intermission or after the show by filling out one of the forms in the lobby and giving it back to Mr. Smith or to one of the staff here at the studio. We are also selling flowers, which is a nice way for you to say congratulations to your dancer on doing a good job. I hope you picked up a program book, because there's lots of vocal ads in that program book. They're very supportive of our program, and I hope that you in turn will turn around and support them. I also have a list of thank yous in there, because I could stand here for hours and thank millions of people, but you don't want me to do that. You want to get on with the show. Mike Koulis, thank you very much. You're an amazing person. He's an employee of the Missouri Military Academy, but he's part of our dance family. He helps us run everything. Thank you, Mike. And of course, my wonderful husband, Tracy's in the fair, doing more than you can believe. So thank you, Tracy. Thank you to the classy moms and the big daddies. Thank you so much for helping out. Each one of these dancers, I feel, is a gift from God. And we are very honored that you have allowed us to enhance that talent that He's given them. I hope throughout the show, when you see something you like, you don't hesitate to put your hands together and applaud, because that's what we're working for, is the applause. So now, sit back and enjoy our show, Encore 2015.